The Infinix Hot 70 Pro 5G is expected to launch in 2026 as a value-focused smartphone that brings modern specs to the affordable segment while keeping Infinix's strong emphasis on battery life and smooth performance. It is rumored to feature a large 6.7-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering fluid scrolling, smoother gaming, and a noticeably better everyday experience compared to standard 60Hz panels. Under the hood, the phone is expected to be powered by a mid-range 5G processor, likely from MediaTek's Dimensity series or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 67 series, optimized for efficiency, stable gaming, and reliable 5G connectivity in 2026. On the camera side, the Hot 70 Pro 5G is expected to use a high-resolution main camera, around 64 MP or higher, with AI image processing, focusing on sharp daylight photos, improved HDR, and better night performance for its price category, supported by secondary sensors for depth or macro shots. Battery life should be one of its biggest strengths, with rumors pointing to a large 5,000 to 6,000 mAh battery paired with fast charging, 33W or higher, to comfortably last a full day or more. The phone is also expected to ship with the latest Android version and an updated XOS interface, bringing improved animations, AI smart features, and better optimization. Overall, the Infinix Hot 70 Pro 5G aims to be a solid 2026 budget 5G phone, balancing display smoothness, dependable performance, long battery life, and competitive pricing.